Hi, Katerina here. Just got back from a wonderful wedding. I can't remember the last time I danced so much. And I love my honey in a tux. I just love him in a tux. And we had such a great time. However, this is another Italian tradition that I'd like to introduce to you all, and that is spaghetti aglio olio. And this is usually a dish that you do when you come home late at night, a midnight dinner, after an event. It's very quick and easy and delicious. Now let's get started. Water's boiling. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to start the sauce. I'm going to put about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add about 12 cloves of garlic whole because I just want the essence. I'm going to remove them in about 4 or 5 minutes. Traditionally it's done with spaghetti, but my husband wanted fusilli, so we'll do fusilli. Okay, I'm just letting all the garlic roast inside here. I love the smell of garlic. Just gonna add a little bit of salt. Gonna add a little bit of spice. My husband loves it with a little bit of spice. Just very little. You can put as much as you like, and you can also bring it to the table. It was such a beautiful wedding because of all this COVID that's going on. We had to bring everybody's vases there, and they went out to, I guess, within a 4-mile radius and bought every single rose, and each table had 4 dozen of roses. It was just beautifully done, and thank God it didn't rain because they were unable to get a tent, but it was just lovely. Okay, now I'm just going to remove the garlic. Now I'm adding a cup of frozen peas. Okay, it's ready. It's perfect. Now we're just going to wait for the pasta. Okay, the pasta's al dente. 2 more minutes. I'm going to let it cook inside the pot. Add 2 ladles of water. Okay, I'm just going to let it cook in here for about 2 minutes. I'm just going to taste it. So good. Okay, I have some basil. I'm just going to cut it with my fingers. And I turned it off, I turned the stove off, and I'm just going to add some basil. I love the basil with the olive oil. A little more. Okay. Now's time for the Parmesan cheese on top. Oh, it smells so good. Fusilli aglio olio is ready. I hope you will try this recipe. I'm just going to walk over and find my handsome husband, and we're going to sit down and enjoy this. It's Katerina from my home to yours. Cheers to a wonderful wedding and a wonderful night. You did. You told me about Yes, you did. You told me about 30 times that I look good, and you look very handsome. Cheers. I hope you like the pasta.
Wonderful. Great snack.
Yeah. What a wonderful time. You had such a wonderful time.
I sweated a lot.
I know. I don't ever remember dancing so much. The music was so beautiful. Such a beautiful wedding. Isn't it nice walking home from a wedding? I've never walked home from a wedding. Beautiful.